In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create online surveys using Surveymonkey. This versatile tool is essential for gathering valuable feedback effortlessly, whether you're gauging customer satisfaction, collecting research data, or simply wanting to gather opinions on a new product. We'll walk through the process step by step, starting at the very beginning. First, let's head over to the Surveymonkey homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in surveymonkey.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the main dashboard labeled Projects. Here, you have access to all your ongoing surveys and options to start new ones. Next, let's click on Create Survey. This button is prominently displayed and is your gateway to beginning a new survey project. A pop-up will ask you to select a starting point for your survey. Surveymonkey provides several options, including using a template, importing from another source, or starting from scratch. For this demonstration, we'll choose to start from scratch to give you the most flexibility in designing your questions and survey flow. With a blank slate ready for customization, the next step is to give your survey a unique name that reflects its purpose. You'll find an Edit button where you can enter a new title. Choosing a concise and descriptive name will make it easier to identify among other surveys, especially if you're managing multiple projects. After naming your survey, make sure to click the Save button to ensure your changes are stored and you're ready to move on. Now that the structure is in place, you have the opportunity to optimize your survey design. Surveymonkey offers a wide range of tools to enhance your survey, from adding different types of questions, such as multiple choice or open text, to applying custom themes that match your branding. While designing, consider the objective of your survey. Keep questions clear and concise to encourage completion and avoid overwhelming respondents with too many questions at once. In addition to these basic enhancements, take advantage of the expert survey design tips provided by Surveymonkey to elevate your survey further. These can help ensure your questions are structured to gather the most informative and actionable feedback. Also, take into account the estimated completion time, which can dramatically affect response rates. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll not only have created a functional survey, but also a professionally tailored tool ready to send to your target audience. Remember, thoughtful design and planning are key to achieving the best results. Thank you for joining me today, and good luck with your Surveymonkey projects. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit. Happy surveying!